what I want to point out here was that this actually is a glazed elevator enclosure, and the elevator is on the opposite side. There's no access through this side, but there will be like some public artwork in here from what I understand. But the funny or the funky thing about this one is there's a column below. The central columns to the building are actually all gravity columns, so they're just a relatively small 30 by 30 inch. If you look into the stacks, you'll see them. So there's one of those right underneath the center of this beam, but what the designers wanted to do here was to wrap the elevator there with a stair. So there's a coiling stair, if you will, and you can kind of see a little bit of it from here if you look closely. And what that required the engineer to do was to find a way to get the column out of the way of all this stair and everything else. So what she did is she introduced a slip joint here. So there's actually a neoprene pad married to a polished stainless steel embed underneath that beam, and then the splayed columns that then support. They actually go through this terracotta wall here, and then up above there's a skinny column on either end, and those go all the way up through the 9th floor, and then they come back together in like a V shape again, and they're actually supported in another third direction. So you have multiple structural systems employed here. So I just thought it was something that you might like to see, because that's not something that's going to be in the presentation, and we didn't get a chance to go up to the sculpture garden on the 9th floor where you would have seen the other one.